Namaskaram. My name is Yash and I am from Ahmedabad, India. First of all, I would like to congratulate Yoga Sadhana for completing 4 years. Today is the fourth anniversary of Yoga Sadhana, and I would like to thank Abhishek Anna especially for making me as well a part of Yoga Sadhana team and family. I would like to share with all of you a short story of how it all started with me and my journey so far with Yoga Sadhana. So actually, I was planning to go for 3 years volunteering for Rally for Rivers project at Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore. Everything was set. I cleared all the interviews and flight tickets were booked, and I was about to go for Rally for Rivers volunteering. But at the last moment, due to some reasons and unfortunate situations, I could not make it. But this desire was very strong within me that I wanted to be a part of Sadhguru's vision of taking the science of well-being to many people, because it transformed my life and I wanted to take this to many more people. So at that time I was working as a digital marketing executive in a media company. So I thought, why not use this experience and expertise in digital marketing and help Isha Hatha Yoga teachers to take the tools of transformation designed by Sadhguru across the world. And that is how I thought of starting this initiative called Yog Prachar. In the initial days, Abhishek Anna gave me this opportunity, and it's been almost 2 years that I am working with Yoga Sadhana, promoting Hatha Yoga programs across Australia. And it gives me immense joy when I read or hear participants sharing and testimonials after completing Hatha Yoga programs at the studio, that even though I could not be there physically, but it gives me such a joy that there was some little contribution and effort from my end in making this thing happen. So I would like to thank Abhishek Anna for giving me this opportunity, and Yoga Sadhana has already touched thousands of lives, and I wish that we continue doing so in upcoming years. At last, I just wanted to share that this time I am wishing and celebrating virtually, but I wish and hope that for the 5th anniversary, I would be there in Australia at the Yoga Sadhana studio celebrating with all of you. Congratulations and namaskaram.